Hi, Scrappy friends. Thanks for joining Scrap and Fun with Beth. My name is Beth Graves, and I'm a Creative Memories Advisor and a Forever Ambassador. Today, we are going to do a sneak peek of the products being launched by Creative Memories on Tuesday. It'll be May 26th. I had to look at my calendar. So Tuesday, May 26th at 12 p.m. Central. So we're going to do a sneak peek. But before we do that, of course, I have a joke for you. You're going to see shortly that we have a new theme being launched. And so with that theme, which side of a wedding cake has the most frosting? The outside. Okay. Did you hear about the two cell phones that got married? The reception was excellent. I know, that's a groaner. All right, I got one more. Did you hear the one about the soup at the wedding? It was broth taking. I know, terrible. Just go with it. Anyway, we are going to take a look at the sneak peek. So come with me to the browser so we can visit the launch page. All right. If you hadn't guessed it, the perfect match is on its way. And so, yes, we have a brand new wedding collection coming out on Tuesday. And the first item in that collection is the album kit. And remember, the album kits are everything you need to create an album quickly and easily. You have your choice of 3 cover sets, and they will each come with top-loading sleeves. You get the packet of 16 simple page kits, bonus stickers, embellishments, and also your repositionable tape runner. You complete the simple page kits, you add your photos, and you drop it right into the top loading sleeves. So we have pearl, we have caramel, and we have a plain flint. The caramel and the pearl both have the leafy design, and I'll show you a little close-up of that down here. If you aren't really ready for the album kit or want to do things more on your own, then of course the wedding collection, the Perfect Match collection, is available. The collection itself can also be added to the album kit and provide extra pages in that. So what comes in our collection? Well, the Buy It All bundle has everything that you could possibly need. And if you purchase that within the first 10 days of the launch, you will also save 10% on the total bundle and receive a bonus project playbook. So what's in it? Well, it has a paper pack in the beautiful colors of Perfect Match, a matte pack, 40 embellishments. It also includes a Fast to Fab inspired paper pack and stickers. So all those things, along with the 2 new punches, and we'll get to those in just a moment, come in that Buy It All bundle. Everything is also available to purchase individually, and everything coordinates with the album kit and vice versa. So you can complement and add and do different things, and the pieces become interchangeable, I guess is the best way to say that. So here's a close-up of that beautiful leaf design on the album covers. Again, that's in the pearl and the caramel. The flint is just a basic, it's just the gray color, it's plain, no embellishment and foil on it. The 2 punches that come out with Perfect Match include the Love Doves Border Maker cartridge. How cute is that? And the Petal Scallop Border Punch. So we've got some really fun tools that add to the collection. And then if you're wondering, well, what else goes with this? We have our cardstock colors, and those include avocado, caramel, beige, cool gray, and white. And then some of our current collections that coordinate will also include Natural Beginnings, Your Own Way, and Something Blue. So the 3 of those collections are all in that same color palette and are great ways to extend the life or the size of your album, being able to add more to the collection. All right. Another new tool that we have is the Trim, Sort, and Assemble. It is the sorting mate. And you might think, what on earth do we do with the sorting mate? Watch this quick video by Annalisa with Home Office, but the sorting mate is really pretty clever. So in our project guidebooks and our project playbooks, we cut apart the different pieces in our cutting guide. So the cutting guide, we do all our cutting at one time, and then we go and assemble the pages. And the sorting mate allows you to keep the pieces together that go with the pages. So the projects, and so the sorting mate has these 6 pockets labeled for projects 1 through 6. So depending on which guide it is, you have different numbers of projects in them. And when you're cutting your cutting guide, then you can go ahead and put the pieces right into this sorting mate, and it kind of keeps your workspace a little bit cleaner. Everything is in one location. It sits up real nice on your desk or your table space. So it's pretty clever. I'm excited to get one and see how this is going to work. Also, it's a great time to mention that there are limited project playbooks that are printed, and here's your series of them, and they will be 50% off, which means they'll only be $250. So if you are interested in any of these, please let me know or get ready to place your own order. Either way will work, and you can collect some of those. And remember, even though it's for Birthday Bash, you can substitute any papers in your stash or any other collection and just pick the different pieces of paper, follow the cutting guide, and assemble. So the project playbooks are meant to be used with multiple collections. And then while you're collecting more project playbooks, maybe you need the Creative Inspiration Binder and or the new Inspiration Pack. So the Creative Inspiration Binder has been released in the past, and it has this awesome grouping of tabs so that you can categorize and put different things in the category they belong in. We also have the Inspiration Pack, which this time includes September 2025 through March 2026. It will have project recipes. It will have virtual crop sketches from those months. And so they're printed on a nice, just like our project playbooks and project guidebooks and recipes for like Croptoberfest and National Scrapbook Days. So you will get all those printed, and they fit right into this binder. If you don't have the binder, then you can get the binder. If you already have it, then you can get just the Inspiration Pack. If you print everything on your own, then just use a 3-hole punch and stick it into the binder. It really is nice. I just recently put all my project playbooks into my binder. I hadn't done that. They've just been piling up. It's really nice having them in one location because I kept finding them everywhere. I know you can relate, right? All right. So anyway, we got some ideas coming your way. And then we've got some additional Fast to Fabulous inspired paper packs. And so these coordinate with 3 of our current album kits. So the Feeling Good is designed to go with the On the Bright Side. Natural Beginnings obviously goes with Natural Beginnings. And then Global Getaway coordinates with Global Getaway album kit. And or the collections themselves. So if you are looking to, again, expand or have a few more pages in any of those things, these Fast to Fab inspired paper packs are another complement. And there we go. Okay, one more thing. We also have some exclusive Father's Day bundles coming out. So for a limited time, we're providing some cover sets that might be fun for dad or for an album that you need to make for dad or the father in your life. And then you're going to get 3 simple page kits from the Noteworthy collection included with that album for free. So a Father's Day bundle that includes free stuff. Woohoo! Sign me up. One more thing. Simple page kit number 6 from Your Own Way is launching on Tuesday. And then remember, you can also get the whole bundle for the second quarter, which includes April, May, and June. So, wow, that is a lot of stuff. And I hope you are excited like I am. There are some great fun things in there, bonuses and other things. And oh, I was going to mention one other thing. So let me go back to the website. Be sure to check the Deals tab as well. So the Deals tab can be found by going to Shop All and then coming over here and clicking Deals. And then when you do that, it pulls up the page. But some 4th of July and holiday festivities for July have been recently added to Last Chance. So these are your last chance to get these patriotic themed items, along with a whole slew of other things that we're making way for other stuff. Some things are discounted, some things are not. You just have to take a look. But if there's anything in the deals tab that you are interested in, please let your advisor know, let me know, and or go ahead and add it to your cart. And then when Tuesday launches come, then you can add the other fun stuff to your cart. So just wanted to mention that deals tab and some of the fun new things that got added. All right, that's all I had for you today. Thanks for joining ScrapNFun with Beth, and I look forward to seeing what creative things you come up with and what the perfect match might be in your future. Have a great day. Thank you.